In this video, I'm going to give you 6 ways that Go2lister can save you time and money in your Amazon business. Go2lister is the fastest listing software on planet Earth, and it is an alternative to Seller Central, which is slow, painful, tedious, and really it should be illegal to list on Seller Central because when you list on Seller Central, Amazon does not care about how much profit you're making. They don't track your profit. They tell you to restock items that maybe lost you money, whereas Go2lister gives you insight into how much profit each item made you. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 6 ways Go2lister can save you time and money, 6 different features. And the last feature, the last thing I'm gonna tell you guys is pretty insane. It's brand new and there's no listing software that's currently doing this on the market. So let's dive into it. Okay, so here we are inside of the batch, and as you can see, you can quickly select what condition the item is. So we have new here, we have very good, we have good condition. So I'm listing a new product right now from Walmart, paid $5 for it. And the cool thing about Go2lister is you can set different rules for setting your min price. So we want to make at least 20% return on our investment for all products that we're listing. So it's automatically going to set that for us. And we just quickly paste the ASIN in here. And as you can see, it's already loading it, and I can move on to my next product if I wanted to. So let's just say I had a Mary Ruth product. I can type this in, I can search, and now it's going to bring up all the search results. And I can quickly just scroll through and look at the sales rank and pick which product I want to list here. So I can select that as well. So as you can see, this Mary Ruth product was listed at the buy box price. We have something called smart pricing. So we price your faster moving inventory at higher prices, and smart pricing selected the buy box in this case. Sometimes it'll go after FBA offer 2 or 3 if it's a super fast moving product and Go2lister thinks that the other 2 sellers are about to sell out. It'll actually price it a little bit higher to help you make more profit. So that's another cool feature Go2lister has. We also allow you to look at the keep up preview. So if you just hover over the price, we have a quick keep up preview here. And we also show you all the offers. You can see 17 FBA offers are here, and I can select maybe I want to come in at FBA offer 3 at $72.49 rather than just matching the buy box price. But in this case, we're just going to match the buy box, which is actually at 74. And if you scroll down, it'll show you that little buy box icon there. That is obviously what it's buy boxing for. So we can just select that. Or if I want to go higher than the buy box, I could price it up a little bit. Cool thing about Go2lister is it shows you the total profit for your batch. This is after how much you paid for the inventory. It also gives you what the total sales value is, what the average sales rank. So it gives you some quick stats to really get an idea of how much profit you're about to make and how quickly you're going to make that profit. So I'm about to click on send batch here, but real quick, I want to remind you guys, this is good for any product on Amazon, but for booksellers, we have a special feature that has queuing technology, which allows you to scan books in incredibly fast. It doesn't have to rely on Amazon's slow response time. And I'll put a quick video here of me scanning. You can see you can scan in 2-3 books per second. And then after you scan them in, it'll queue them in, process them one by one, and print out the F and SKU as needed. All right, so now we're going to click on send batch here. And Go2lister is going to show you all the different fulfillment centers, all the different split shipments, which are normally a pain to deal with. But what you can do is use our box content flow. So we'll click on accept shipments. And then over here on the right, it's going to show you each fulfillment center. So we have CLT2, FWA4, and RFD2. So now all you need to do is take the ASIN. I usually use a scanner at this part. I scan the product. It tells me exactly what warehouse it's going to and which box to put it in. So this makes it very simple. I don't have to, I don't have to do this. I don't have to view which products are in which box. I don't have to worry about where Amazon wants me to put different things. All I need to do is open a box and then scan the product. It tells me which box it's going to go into. So I have box 1 here. If FWA4, if it requires 2 boxes, I can click on add box, and that's going to, when I scan the next product in, automatically add it to box number 2. And this is a super simple flow that makes it, normally it's a nightmare to deal with split shipments, but this makes it really easy because all you have to do is type in the product up here, scan it, and it tells you which box to put it into. Another feature I love in Go2lister is the profit reports. So it shows you how much you did in sales, how much you paid for those products that sold, what the total Amazon fees are, and what profit you're left with at the end of the day. You can also scroll over and view this on a daily basis. You can see we did 4,500 in sales, but the important thing is how much do we keep? How much did we take home? And as you can see, we kept $1,400 right here. Another feature I love in Go2lister is this sales preview, which is completely brand new. We show you how much each ASIN has sold over the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. So this is how I decide which items I'm going to restock. I just open Go2lister. I scroll down. I look at how much of each product I've sold. And this sales data is so valuable for me just to look at. Oh, I've sold 85 in the last 7 days. And then I can see how, if I click inside, I can see how many I still have in stock. Actually, under available quantity here, I can see how much I have available, which is currently blurred out, but it shows you that number. And then I can decide whether or not I need to purchase more inventory. A bonus feature that I love is at the top, we tell you the total sales value available on Amazon. So we have $121,000 worth of inventory at Amazon FBA. And if you scroll over to the right, it shows how much of your money's tied up. So I have $40,000 worth of my money tied up at Amazon. If we scroll over one more time, it shows us how much profit we expect to make on that. So $45,000 expected profit is at Amazon FBA right now. And it also shows you how much is inbound. So I have $84,000 worth of inventory inbound to Amazon right now. Number 6, the most exciting feature that I'm excited about today is our mobile app. So as I mentioned, no other listing software has this, where you can just quickly view how much profit you're making per ASIN. And for influencers out there, if you're posting on Instagram or whatever, you can click on hide products. So your products are not readily available for everyone to see. And it's going to show you your sales, how much profit you made. I know it's kind of blurry, so I'll have my video editor put a picture up here. And as you can see, you have your total sales, you have your profit, you have your average sales price, how many orders you have. And if you scroll over to the right, you have available sales value, available expected profit, how much money is tied up at Amazon FBA, and overall just a quick app to view how much profit you're really making. So those are my 6 favorite things about Go2lister. If you guys want to give it a free trial, click the link below. 14 days free. Feel the speed, taste the profit. Much love, guys. Catch you in the next video. Peace.